Alright guys, this is how to change the blade on the Bosch 10-inch table saw. This specific model is the Bosch 4100XC 10-inch table saw. It's super easy to change this blade. First thing you need to go to is your power supply and unplug it. You do not want to change a blade with the power on. Make sure that it's off. It's off. Get your fence out of the way and then stick your finger in this little cubby hole thing, pull it off. Okay, over here on the right side of the saw, there's this little nut. You can just unscrew it, it'll drop into this pocket. Grab your blade removal tool and the blade you're switching to. As far as this blade goes, you can raise this thing up for better access. There we go. And then over here on the left side, you have this little lever, and then you have your tool. I always take the 6-sided. I don't know if that's a hexagon. Twist it until we lock into place. Let's see here, when we're gonna lock into place. There we go. You can see the lever lifted further, and now this blade's locked into place. Now just hold this lever up and twist. My bolt came loose. I'll just hand unscrew it. Take the bolt off. Take your washer off. Just set them aside. Your blade will now pull out. Then take your new blade and slide it on with the teeth moving towards you. Now go ahead, take your washer, put your washer on there. Get your bolt. This bolt is grooved on one side. Make sure that the flat side goes towards the saw. And then that bolt will twist away from you. Get it hand tight. Pull your lever with the red rubber end till it's tight, and then twist your bolt, make it tight. All right, we're tight. Now, take your blade cover, put it back on, grab your blade and your blade remover tool, stick that back into place. Tighten that down, and there we go. That's how to replace the blade on the Bosch table saw.